In this lecture, we discuss about the first fundamental step, that is the image equation in digital image processing. Before discussing, we already know that what is the digital image, how it is formed, how it is acquired. So this any picture can be captured in the presence of a light. That light or the energy source is also known as the illumination energy in case of digital image processing. So light is the visible area of the electromagnetic spectrum. It occurs between the wavelengths of approximately 400 and the 700 nanometers. In the presence of the light, we capture some image, or capturing an image is also known as acquiring an image. So in the digital image equation, any image that is captured, which means that we acquire that image in the presence of a light and convert it into the analog signal and mapped into the digital image. So the smallest element of the image is called the picture element or the pixel. This diagram is already discussed in the previous lecture. Here the imaging system, which is any sensor or the camera, this is any scene element which is captured by the imaging system in the presence of the illumination energy, that is the energy source, and that is mapped into the image plane, which is in which any object that is to be captured is sampled and quantized to form a digital image. So this is the simple representation of a two-dimensional digital image. Here the plane is contains the two coordinates x and y. X and y coordinates are also known as the spatial coordinates, and these are some value at some point fxm and yn, which means that they are the gray level values or the intensity values or the resolution value, or these are the gray level values which are defined to provide us the information about which pixel is to be enhanced or which pixel value is to be edited. So this is an image that is the two-dimension function fxy, where x and y are the coordinates and the amplitude of f is called the gray level or the intensity. We can also define the image equation is the creation of the digital images, such as a physical scene of a or of the interior structure of an object. This is often assumed to suggest or include the pre-processing. The processing word here, the image equation may basically include the pre-processing and also the scaling process. So the processing, compression, storage, printing and display of many images is done to be in the image equation step. So basically there are the three principal sensor arrangement which are to use to produce an electrical output proportion to the light intensity. There are the three phases or the arrangement include in the image equation. First one is the image equation by using a single sensor image. Second is image equation by using the line sensor or the sensor strip, and third one is the image equation by using the array sensor. So we discuss about the image equation by using a single sensor. Single sensor means only one sensor is to be used. The most widely recognized sensor of this type is photodiode, which is constructed of silicon material and whose output voltage waveform is proportional to light. In order to generate a two-dimensional image using a single sensor, there have to be relative displacement in both the x and y direction between the sensor and the region of the image to be imagined. So here is the block diagram of the single sensor, in which there is some voltage waveform out, there is a power in, this is the whole the housing system, and there is sensing material. Here are the filter line is to be drawn and the energy is to be passed. So when the power is on, the voltage is to be applied onto the sensing material. The filter is to be applied to filter some effect. For example, in the presence when the red color is to be applied on that image, then the reflection of that object is different, so it provide the reflection or filter that image sensing material. So it may generate a two-dimension image by the displacement of both the x-axis and the y-axis. So the region is to be imagined when the power is on, then the image is to be captured in the presence of the energy. So the single sensor is mounted on a lead screw that gives the motion in the perpendicular direction. Clear? Next one is the image equation by using a sensor strip or the line strip, which means that it is the combination of more sensors that are to be arranged in a line, or we can say that a geometry that is used much more frequently than the single sensor, which may consist in line arrangement of sensor in form of a sensor strip. So it is also known as, that's why it is also known as the line sensor. The strip gives imaging elements in one direction. जो हमने फर्स्ट में पढ़ा सिंगल सेंसर, दिस इज द वर्किंग ऑफ द सिंगल सेंसर. When the power is on, voltage is to be applied on the sensing material. When we capture some image in the presence of the light, the some filters are also to be applied, then we can acquire that image by using a single sensor. So all the single sensors then used in a series of line that form a sensor strip. Here one box represent a single sensor, another is single sensor, then there are the number of single sensor which may form the sensor strip. So the motion perpendicular to the strip gives the imaging in the other direction. This type of arrangement used in flatbed scanners. For example, हम scanners जो यूज़ करते हैं उसमें ये arrangement sensor strip यूज़ होती है, जिसमें number of multiple images को at a one time स्कैन कर सकते हैं. सो द सेंसर स्ट्रिप माउंटेड इन अ रिंग अरेंजमेंट आर यूटिलाइज्ड इन द मेडिकल एंड द इंडस्ट्रियल इमेजिंग टू obtain the cross-sectional images of the three-dimension object. Third one is the last one, the image equation by using the sensor array. All the arrays, a single array, there are the multiple number of single arrays that are to be arranged in the form of array. So the individual sensor can be arranged in the form of two-dimension array. Numerous electromagnetic and some ultrasonic detecting gadgets are arranged frequently in an array format. This is additionally the transit course of action found in digital cameras. For example, CCTV cameras हम यूज़ करते हैं, ठीक, वहाँ पर क्या है, सेंसर एरेज यूज़ होते हैं. A typical sensor for these cameras is a CCD array, which can be manufactured with a board image of sensing properties. CCD sensors are widely used in digital cameras and the other light sensing instruments. So these are the three phases which are to be used by the image equation for acquiring any image by using a single sensor, by using a line sensor, and by using the array sensor.